as you can see, I'm fresh out the shower. Don't worry, I have my towel on. I am going to be showing you guys this Clarisea Charcoal Solutions face mask. It's a pore clearing, brightening, and peel off mask. So I just opened it, and I used this one in Vegas with Gina Wong, and we used it, and it just reacted kind of funny, and it's different than the traditional like charcoal mask. It's very gooey, as you can see, and so when you put it on, it feels almost a little thick, but you kind of want that because it will peel off like as one piece in most places if you make it thick enough. And I feel like this is enough for like 3 or 4 uses, so I like to kind of lay it on thick.
I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as for you hands to me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the.
So that's it. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll be back to show you how it peels off.